Now let's look at happens when we have more than a monomial on top. This 3x on the bottom has to be, it's sort of like distributing, but put to each of the items on the top, each of the terms on the top. So we'll take this 6x to the third, and we're going to divide by 3x, plus, and then we'll have this 9x to the second, and we'll divide it by 3x. We'll keep the minus in between them. And then we'll have 18x, and it has to be divided by 3x. So then we simplify each of these just like we did in the last section. Here, 6 divided by 3 is 2. This means I have 3 x's on the top, 1 on the bottom. That gives me 2 extra x's on the top. It's over 1 if everything goes away. The bigger number was on top, so the 2 is on top. So here we have 9 over 3. That leaves me a 3 on top over 1. I have 2 x's on the top, 1 on the bottom. That leaves me 1 extra x on the top. Here, 18 over 3 leaves me a 6 over 1. And I have an x on the top and x on the bottom. They just cancel out. So our final answer would be 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. We'll do one more example. It works exactly the same way. We'll take the 7z to the fourth and divide by 40z to the fourth, minus, and then the 10z to the ninth divided by 40z to the fourth, plus 5z to the eighth over 40z to the fourth. So then we'll simplify. Nothing goes into both 7 and 40, so we have to just leave them. Z to the fourth cancels out z to the fourth. We'll keep that minus sign. 10 over 40, we can divide both of those by 10, which leaves me with 1 over 4. This is 9 z's, this is 4 z's, so the 4 z's will cancel out 4 from the top, leaving 5 extra z's. Here I can divide the 5 and the 40 by 5, leaving me with 1 over 8. And then this is 8 z's and 4 z's, so these 4 z's will cancel out 4 of that, leaving 4 extra z's on the top. So my final answer would be 7 over 40 minus z to the fifth over 4 plus z to the fourth over 8.